In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your DoorDash red card in under 2 minutes. Whether you're new to DoorDash or just need a quick refresher, this guide is designed to make the process straightforward and easy. So let's dive right in and get your red card up and running smoothly. First, you'll want to head over to the DoorDash website. You can do this by opening any web browser on your computer or smartphone and typing in DoorDash.com into the address bar. Navigating to the DoorDash homepage is an essential starting point, setting the stage for all the steps that will follow. Once you're on the website, look for the Convenience tab. It's typically located at the top of the page in the main navigation menu. Before you go ahead and click on it, you should be clear about what you're searching for. Are you purchasing items for immediate delivery, or are there specific stores from which you'd like to order? Knowing this beforehand will streamline your browsing process and make the selection much simpler. After you've identified what you're after, go ahead and click on Convenience. This will display a series of options and highlight various stores available to you. Choose the store where you want to make your purchase. This step involves just a simple click once you've decided, and it'll bring up all the specific items you can order from that store. Once you've selected your desired store, it's time to add items to your cart. This is done by clicking on the plus sign next to the items you're interested in. This action adds each item directly into your cart, similar to an online shopping bag. Take your time to review your selections, ensuring that you have everything you need before moving on to the final step. Finally, it's time to make a payment. After verifying that your cart contains all the desired items, proceed to checkout. DoorDash provides a user-friendly interface for completing your transaction. Follow the prompts, entering all needed information, and confirm your payment. You'll need your red card details to finalize this step, so keep it handy. Once the payment is processed, you're all set. And just like that, you've successfully activated your DoorDash red card in just a few simple steps. With everything now in place, your orders will be processed effortlessly, ensuring a smooth and efficient delivery experience. Thank you for following along, and happy dashing.